Hello, this is This Guy, and this video is about an umbrella car shade that an Amazon seller sent to me. It's a visor for your windshield. It basically protects your car from the extreme heat and keeps it nice and cold on the inside. Okay, so maybe it doesn't keep your car cold. On your average summer day, the inside of your car can get up to 120 degrees, sometimes even more. Adding a sunshade can knock 30 degrees off that temperature. A lot of heat is from the sun baking your dashboard, and a sunshade basically keeps the sun off of it. Now this sunshade is unique to me because I've never seen one that's designed like this. It basically looks like an umbrella. And when you expand it, it's the shape of a windshield. Check that out. And it actually comes in 3 different sizes. Being that my wife drives a RAV4, we got the smaller size. Now I do want to call out that my wife already has a sunshade. It's full of crumbs. But we've had this thing for like 10 years. You just basically fold it open and then you stick it on the dash. The problem is that you've got to hold it in place with the visor, and there's like this game where you got to go back and forth and try to hold it with the visor, and essentially it just ends up falling down, where we come back out to the parking lot and it's laying down like that. It's still covering the dashboard, but it's not really doing its job. And then folding it back up is kind of like origami. Now with the umbrella design, it basically expands. And you might have to duck out of the way a little bit, but you expand it, it locks in place, and you set it on the dash. And just like that, it stays in place. Later on when you get back to your car, you basically push a button and it collapses. And similar to an umbrella, it's got a Velcro strap. Basically just wrap that thing up, tuck it in your seat. If you're interested in checking them out, I've got a link down in the description that'll take you to the one that I've got. It's This Guy, and thanks for watching.